So here goes my $450 yacht. That's what we call her, the yacht. I don't care, it's old and crusty and shit, but it seems to run good. Came with a tilt trailer. I got the ownership and fucking the papers for the boat. You're just learning the controls for it. They're a little tricky. We'll see him do a little ride by here. What a good fucking little $450 boat. This is some cool spot I found here. I don't know, we were just cruising along and found this fucking dock and pulled up to it. It was good. Here comes the boat. Fuck, you can't ask for much better for 450 bucks. Tell you that. Gonna do some fucking fishing on that shit. Hopefully no fucker comes out with a shotgun or some shit 'cause I'm out on his dock. That would suck. Here comes my ride. I think I need one of them dolphin fins. The motherfucker comes up a little high when you take off, but I don't know, it levels out once you're going. It's got some like fucking built-in trolling shit on the motor. It's a little 50 horse Mercury, and when you're going too fast you can, or want to go slow, you drop it into trolling shit. Let's jump back on. There's my motor. That's cool. Alright, let's go, motherfucker. Let's check that Speedo out. See how she does. Now keep in mind, guys, I haven't done any kind of a tune-up, man. This is just the way I got it. We fucking threw her in the water. Well, it'll go 30 miles an hour.